We are on Stonebridge Estate near Seven Sisters for the launch of our pilot of secure cycle hangers on estates, free to residents. We've got one on the Stella House in near Northumberland Park, one here, and we are expecting to spread this out across all of our estates. To incentivise cycle riding, we want to incentivise cycle ownership, but what we've been hearing from residents is that one of the biggest obstacles is not having space in their property. So we were contacted by residents from these estates. We're determined to respond and to install these cycle hangers. So it's going to be a really brilliant programme where we're improving accessibility to cycle infrastructure for all social housing residents.
I'm a resident of Seven Sisters. I absolutely love living in this neighborhood. It's vibrant, it's beautiful, the people are amazing. But we always had the difficulty when it came to parking bikes. There are spots where you can put them temporarily, but there's no really permanent parking spots. So it was very frustrating. We contacted the council. Councillor Hakata got back to us. They came and surveyed the area, found some good spots where the permanent parking garages could be placed. And by working with them, we managed to get them installed here. This is a very happy day. It's really life-changing to be able to have this and to not have the bikes inside the house, taking all the space, which is a fire hazard, it's a risk. So we're just very happy that we have a place where we know they can be safe and dry, and that we can just pick them up and use them in all the cycle highways that surround this area.